Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I actually think my last Stitch Fix was pretty good. I had to make some tough decisions about it, so we'll see how good this one is. Today I am feeling really content. My house is empty. The only noise is my menacing kitten. So we'll see if he calms down during the video. I just poured myself a cup of coffee, I have my snuggly sweater on. It's real nice. It's chilly outside, but clear. I'll take it. It's perfect. And I'm recording a video. So I'm really interested to see what I got. I know everybody says, do look at the preview. And I don't, because it always goes into my junk mail. And no matter how much I try to look for it in there, it always drops in my junk mail, and I try to do settings so that it doesn't. And I never see the preview. And I wish I would, because I'd like to kind of make adjustments to it sometimes, but we'll see. Technology's holding me back, but I like to be surprised anyway. Okay, whoa, what is that? Okay, let's look at this bundle. Okay, I'm intrigued. All right, that looks like fun. All right, we'll look at the prices at the end. Let's see what I got. Okay, I am really intrigued. It's a cardigan, but I don't know if you'll be able to tell. So it's a fun coppery brown color, but it's Confetti. I don't know if you can tell. It's like got different colors, little speckles in it. It's Confetti brown. Oh, that kind of makes me excited. Okay, I kind of like that. I also am simultaneously nervous that I'll like think it's something on and like be picking it off all the time, but I think I'd get over it. It's okay, that's cute. Okay, and it would be really cute with this plaid shirt. That would be an adorable outfit. Stitch Fix never puts outfits together. That is an adorable outfit. And the last time, what was it, Stitch Fix? I got a box and it was a plaid shirt and I really liked it. I think it was Stitch Fix and it was like $100 shirt, over $100, and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. It was way too much. I hope this isn't the same because looks really cute. Hopefully it fits well as well. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh my gosh. This is fun. This is really fun. Look at it. Is like a sage green sweatshirt. It's by Michael Stars, so I know it's gonna be spendy, but I love Michael Stars stuff. And look how fun that is. That's so cute. Okay, I hope that fits really well too. That's totally my jam. All right. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just a simple gray sweatshirt, but it feels like cashmere actually. It is cashmere. It's really soft and lovely. That's really cute. Classic gray cashmere sweater. All right, I look forward to that one. And then the last thing are some cut from the cloth jeans. And I do really like cut from the cloth. I like their stretch and how they end up settling. We'll see how they fit. What style are these? They're a Slouchy boyfriend. Oh God, that sounds amazing actually, going into the winter to have just like slouchy jeans. We'll see how the bottoms are and how they fit. Ooh, they're button fly too. Okay, well, I'm excited. All right, let me go try this stuff on. I'll be right back. Okay, I have the next outfit on, but first, can I show you how adorable my little kitten is? When he's sleeping. Okay, here's the first outfit, and it's pretty cute. It's really cute. I think. Tell me what you think. I think the sweater with the Confetti is a really interesting color, and it's fun. And I don't have actually, hard to believe, but I don't have that many cardigans. My collection suffers from comparison to my sister's, who has 8,000 cardigans. I do not know how she stores them all. But it's soft and fun colored, has a little pocket, and it looks really cute with this shirt. I'd have to make sure I have other shirts. I mean, you could just wear anything with it, probably. Make sure I have other shirts that would go with it. But this shirt is cute too. Let me take this off. So I really like how soft it is. It's not like scratchy flannel. The only problem with these shirts is I'm big chested and the gap, but the gapping isn't too bad. I don't know, I think it's cute. I feel like I keep pulling it down like that, like it wants to crawl up and I just keep pulling it down. So I don't know if something's tight in a spot that is weird. It's like, I guess it is pulling like a little somewhere, but it's really, really cute. And I could wear this a lot. My husband loves me in button-up shirts, and I'm like, I'm so sorry. And he loves me in patterns, and I just can't wear any of them. Okay, so tell me what you think about this. All right, let's talk about the jeans, because the jeans are a tough one for me. Because they're comfy, and I like the wash. I just think they're too big. And if you don't know, cut from the cloth stretches out at least a half size, if not a full size. So you should buy them slightly tight, like a little bit uncomfortably tight, because they will stretch to fit, and that's why they're so great, because they stretch right in all the right spots. And these have like, they look like they fit, but there's like some gap, a little bit of gapping, not bad, but a little much. And honestly, I just don't know if they're totally flattering. They just look like blah to me. What do you think? I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of pulling them up already. I don't know, I really wanted to like them, but I just don't know if they're that flattering. Let me know what you think. Even the length is like a little bit funny. It's a little slouchy on the legs. I don't know. All right, see, look, I don't know. Is it gapping? It's not really gapping. I don't know what's happening here, but it is really cute and it's adorable with the sweater. I'm gonna have to see what else I have to go with it. Okay, first outfit I think was really good. I'm not sure it's all perfect. Let me try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, it's so cute. This might not be your style, but I feel like this is totally my style. Okay, Lindsay, tell me what you think, because you want it? Because I do. Okay, the main things are, it's so soft. I mean, we talk about it being a sweatshirt. This is not your old crappy college hoodie. Like, this is so amazingly soft, but it's not gonna pill. It's this great sage color. It's got this fun band of color down this side. I also like, I don't necessarily like it with these jeans because I just am not into them, but I like the length. It's not super low. It's like at, you know, kind of at a good spot on your waist. So it looks more stylish, but it looks kind of sporty. Oh, I know it's gonna be $1 million. Okay, well, let's see what else we got, because maybe this is my special treat today. Maybe. All right, last thing. Okay, here's the last thing, and it's this gray cashmere sweater. And although I think the fit is great and it's cute, it's a little scratchy. Even for cashmere, it's just a little scratchy. I have way softer sweaters than this, and it's that kind that just kind of gets to you. I can tell already, like by the an hour in, you're like, okay, gotta get it off. But it's real cute anyways. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad that I don't like it. I have other things I like better. Sue me. All right, now it's time to look at prices because it's really going to matter. All right, be right back. Okay, is Stitch Fix making a comeback? Because this box, although I'm not gonna get everything, it was a really good box. I liked everything in it. And I thought Stitch Fix was really struggling, especially during the pandemic, fair enough. But the last couple boxes I've had were really good, and I've had to make some tough choices. So that makes me happy because I always like Stitch Fix, but Oh, there were some terrible things coming for a while. Okay, but now the prices. All right, what are we gonna have here? Oh, guess what? So that cardigan, this chocolatey cardigan, it is called Wells Confetti cardigan. It's funfetti, hello. It's only $48. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely in the yes pile. Okay, the Michael Stars, okay, I don't even wanna look, I haven't even looked yet. Pullover, it's $128. That's a lot. That's a lot for a sweatshirt, but did you see how cute it was? Oh God, you guys are gonna have to help me. It seems like a lot of money for a sweatshirt. Oh dear Lord, okay. It has to go in the maybe pile. The cut from the Kloth jeans. I need your help with these two. They're $89. Was what I thought they would be. The more I wore them, the more I kind of liked how loose they were. You know, these skinny jeans, they look cute, but they are, you know, they're fitted all the time. And it was kind of nice having just some like baggy old jeans to wear. But I also don't want them like sliding down, stretching out either, or looking bad. But they were kind of growing on me as I was wearing them. So that's a maybe. Okay, then the navy button down is $46. That's a great price too. My only problem with this is the fit was kind of weird with me tugging it down, and when I was taking it off, I kind of unbuttoned and pulled it over my head, and I thought, oh my God, am I gonna rip this thing? It just was a little bit tight on the shoulders, I think was the problem, like across the back. So I'm just not sure that the fit was right, although I really liked it. What size is this? It's a large. I wonder if they have an extra large. Oh wait, how much is it? 46, okay, 46, yeah, okay. That's really cute, especially with the funfetti. All right, I have to think about that. And the last thing is the Cashmere 41 Hawthorne sweater. It's $88, which I don't want anyways, but was really cute. Just too scratchy. So the if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. It takes $100 off. So if I got everything, it would be $300. I just don't need everything, so I'm gonna have to make some tough choices. I honestly don't know, because the green sweatshirt is the one thing that I really want, but it is way too much money. It's not even about worth it. It's like, that just feels wrong. But I knew it would be expensive. But then the cardigan is real cute. Oh God, okay, that's tough. All right, well, I'll have to think about that, and you guys will have to tell me what you think. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.